said no me da sumu. And then answer me da sumu. Last week me da sumu sa from Monday to a year me da sumu. Ade.
Nancy na wa say Dumsor no to aso.
Prepaid board ding. Movie na ma say dum light.
They say uto prepaid egu mitam pe. Sikesi ma na free so. E chenchi bini.
Etin penifo se aboa no kan ebra fusa Ghana fo ni abrese crowd because almost ntena ho. Emma prepaid, Emma she almost Kenya prepaid me she almost safety Kenya. Yes, we say now to prepaid ya as an aviator. Show nasa. Postpaid ye the bill eba. I say all them la watch this year. Ghana was a master. Open to be zadio. It over back a comagene. The Omabe class Mahama and ECG. The one to remove watch the wagon amame. Our comment section. I Penyah block media. That's what I say any demo. Obe like video no da ma subscribe button sabe click benefication connectors updates sabe chere wa adwen da ba me e wo comment section so ba so na chef for enya bi ahwe so over Ghana ha no 2026 currently abusia niam mu enya sa eniam mu nya sa when it comes to the energy sector eniam mu nya sa because prepaid ye meters ani ye use eno an ye use from 2023 eba o mbese san somewhere be 2022 23 ni mu no be ye mass replacement no the new meters about somewhere 2022 as 2021 no said I remember 2025 say 2022 no baby no be that mass replacement the new meters we buy somebody buy no I remember auto 5 street go so na eche 10 city na eche I say ema ye isu ni kakra sa edi be see to no fe ko to buy this MPP Lucia or Mukofie. And this year 2025 out of nowhere that same prepaid meters na ebo hono no said ye sitete no as about them as a meter na adwen adwuma onim se discount to go so meter that's why yale as onim se ye disika ele to go so wa about them okay yes ai e people na de Ghana call IMF but omunom de Ghana call IMF na omunom ko fa da akronfo meter na mo ya mo ka se na ko fa da akronfo meter ne ba ye no da akronfo meter no omo pens kwa na enti sei na enti bum sei ba mo na mabai no mo se na de Ghana call IMF na omo da time no de Ghana call IMF no enya nsusan so e meter so mo buy na benya nsusan so I don't even get it MPP time ana mo so de Ghana call IMF ye nyina gidi but omo time no ye hu changes essay ejide da mo pens so na affect mo na say de the government dey quite cry no mu time na prepared entity bum say it o mu free so no and IMF no affect NDC and I said I don't get it okay yes MPP na Ghana ko IMF okay yes IMF okay prepared tia net here okay yes IMF but we say o mu buy no o mo to prepared mu enye easy
so far the government has done so well with the exchange rate and inflation now mo ba be third quarter no they use an exchange rate of 10.3052%. Exchange rate to $1, CD to $1.
Okay.
10.3052. Omoba fourth quarter, they use 12.37.
End of the year
calculation. Their reason was that in the third quarter, we use 10.30.
Yeah.
By the end of the third quarter, now on an average, interest rate has gone up more than the 10.30%. So they have to recover the lost revenue. It told me to go 11 point something like I saw charge fourth quarter. And they call 12.37. Fortunately for us, fourth quarter, average exchange rates about 10.
Yeah.
Not to say they have overcharged us for the fourth quarter.
And amount to the 1.5 billion.
Absolutely. It means say in this first quarter, we are just waiting for a reduction.
Yeah.
Anything less than a reduction is a whip off. Anything less than a reduction, we are just waiting for them to see how things are going to go. But this is the reality. The reality is that electricity has gone up by 28.2%. Water has gone up by 19.94%. It is so because we're too prepaid now, sir. That is the reality. I'm just hoping, say, you bring us some respite on the basis of the exchange rate gains in this first quarter. So me announcement, but that's the reality.
Council. Now, said they know also now the rate at Twitter. Almost increase prepaid no. I'm not prepaid. All time is S and a postpaid. You be taking reading now. Enye easy. Nini na chisno Ghana for that so the Dumsor. There are some catch your man. I'm take me WhatsApp no. me se sam me TV ne me light nyina me twa kire mo Dumsor ase me TV me lighter me bo share se je shem nyina light na se me me light e bo me dem ahye ma se no je se light no peta enye easy ase ye di agro e wo Ghana ha na mo na no ana Ghana fo ngo fu no m kire se da bi omuntimi ntua prepare na bo wo soro na mo sa fa Dumsor be ha ya adwene e je do be clash with Mahama DC that we dey serve oboka
prepaid boarding ding movie na masen dum light munnim se nkrofo awo nkola nketenkete prepaid boarding ding na masen dum light na heat hwemeti atade na mafo no akola atade na mafo na mede toto ne ho aden ya brem wati de bia mu tania enya boss 30 na modum light enya boss 30 na modum light aden support bi na aba intimuntimi sa support muntimi nya na no pa na se wia aden ena mama ye ho nton ye wo man Ghana musa aden amme me why enye me nko na nim se amme nkrofo bebre nso aden hwe sumpa esum kebi pa anaju emitim na de sebe oda prison crampo no obeda sa sumwe mu ana obeda sa ohwe mu aden etititi ye fie musu ye ho nton ye aden uto prepare uto ya na mo say dum light aden mun kunya ne ye se ye free wiase
they say uto prepaid egu mitam pe sikese ma na free so e chenche bene unmi chebene unmi chebene ukoka tezia ya se chako 8 no e wanfa 8 na ewie sika no 8 na site prepaid no masa e life no e dey rough no mu dey di okobu haso no na ayi Dumsor abawo ukoka tezia ya ka tyo se na po oyedma ECG na po oyedma ECG enti John Mahama ni Dumsor ni esesanda bibie no obetuma sesa se ene abanya ba power ene light chance of 4 years da bi ni ho masa enti ede mpa na ekoso eduabo MNDC ana ede menti ase
no ama mini grade ne micro grade
media metumi de akere wo every week media ne ya from Yawada to Yawada
utilities out here
me Majari me nishi wo ho me fa air condition nada wo Debi me fa air condition nada obi amfa na e fan no enu mpo me nso ya mabeduma wo mo ebe ko school ko efie dia na ye wo ho
yan fan say efie say anope obi ani ho
the method 1000 from Yawada to Yawada from Yawada to Yawada 1000 and na meto
na we mu nyina achi ni asa dum light
me say
who say no me da sumu ene na nsa me da sumu last week me da sumu sa from Monday to ayi nyina me da sumu adai
na nsa nyina wa say Dumsor no to aso last week me power aduma nwumre na ye dum ni fra be ka dance na di kwasi poku ase ama saman
yo
a Friday no na temu the last week there at what was wa bra ye tia light bill
en kwabna me juanu si ye wonim say omudum no time nso so ya pon a ye kofie no
mo
won so why stress
yes
wakwa kodru fie na wonhunu ne wonya wo ho no
na musio mo no na wonka say sa na suafo no a womuguwa na womunni bra bia abo no eye from say
enu yen fa
PURC na womumra meka say omu
light almost betu like
anka jonjina po anka jonjina po wan boys no a omudi atam wo social media no ka meto credit amomu ka meto credit amomu
Majari enyo
kan ko
ya like ya pon ya say do
don't go there hey don't go there
me say ayi kwabran ade beti me me da fiada no ma na say ko ma na ade chi we
na say ya kra say
kania no omudum no na o ma so omudum na no o ma so afa na ani no ebo pepepe pet na dum na so na dum afa unioma wo sa wo kra no na esai ba be sai
akosia asam no a wo keka omene yama waduma president yama waduma say when we minister of energy think outside the box think aduni na da wotirimu no think outside the box that enti ya de aduma mame edie na meye na me manfo ho atowo mu kakra when it comes to electricity. Say cost of production our Ghana are very high because of electricity and water. And to when you see a mawasia say 24-hour economy. Nekasi anwa electricity.
Now when you light now 24 hours na better what
na say nipa betia light belia esutan bosome na juma
we na
unya 24-hour economy fa so na woso
ade
me say emanu mbanu hu musuo mpoda honorable
no mo nsa meka so mo betu you PRC from na no meka omo better pa
now but yes situation you
majari wan say asamu ani ye kan first no who said the na me temperature where they me come with passion
ye nyina
because me te wa me redeem
me say wo to light no wani
me te wa me redeem
we on say ntumo no e PRC for na etumo
na when na de ko PRC dia
for me ayi entemgina for enso so for to me bia o mo nka bi mayen
o ma me akwanya nne o tena enande saye o mo ye bogus PRC ye bogus
but
bogus institution
wo mo ye commissioner
o mo ye bogus
woni wo mo
di ya emma wo mo ntem wo mo nka se ya ma mo ntumu da PRC nye bi da o ma ye se koliko ene ya tutu wo mo ya ba pani ya pushi wo mu no mu di mirkaba wo mu ba ni ya pushi wo mu ni boss
Public Utilities Regulatory Commission
wo mu ni boss yati dollar ba
wo ye public utilities omo ye ntamgyinafo anka omo ne light fo no senkane ase ECGO say ye netco ana say ye gridco omo ne omo nkotena se no omo nka bi man ya omo kɔ no omo ba no ma ba be ka che say ai enfidie ne niama na wo mo ye no ya de aye we
monya
ya todi ya adwuma sika wo efie dia wo mfa nya hwe obi afirifie me ne wo kasa sesi wo be ko me maame abrewa wono na aka ofie wonim de wotie wotie radio eno pe no otie o hwe TV onye bibia na wo wie na ko 1000 Ghana cedis 1 week no kra nu tabna se 1 week ya wada to ya wada wo 1000 na 1 week no
akosia na enum wo na me temperature ekosoro enti wo mu maame ade ni bi
obi se me kan show say bia na meter no problem on witima
meter dia he
mama wo mu kate enya aha na obi katre me say me earth no me ntake me earth no mama wo tutu ni na
asa de fo crash ho
eti wama ba be check yan say your consumption
na bia wo Ghana ha say light bill na atesen
eni nipa ko ada ono no de o say onye ono de na fo wa ho ne de na fo
eni wa ye illegal connection
the woman is say
eni wa ye illegal connection
obia obeka kire wo say utilities say no e wo form na especially nyina mekania no ya de a na nipa no wanka asem ni
eni bia no aye illegal
to
fili
yes e wo soro but your nipa bi wo ho a wo mo no say ntumu na nka wo ba say nipa no mo ye kakra bi wo ma e wo ye from Lifeline consumers no
Lifeline any wo mo fa me nkoka ho
yeah you see that now you dey koka ho
any wo mo fa me nkoka ho
unqualified
Lifeline ye emrewa meboa
enye mrewa Lifeline for ne ye
wo ma kakra no wo mu be
there be enye no kre Lifeline ye say wo ma bob ba ko pe bi eye within eye 0 to 50 units It is our consumption.
Hado.
I will between 0 to 50 units now.
And no, yeah,
then you fall within the lifeline.
Majari santre chile
and no, yeah, who come kumemu, baby, I throw on crashing crashing, woman, a lifeline.
Oh, and that's what
You say,
Aban we are this video the way dear. And one na say the electricity bill a ye tua wo krom ha de. I say you say boat 200 meters World Olympics. Can you imagine? And maybe a move proud to 2025. Now go to me the 200, 300 extra months. And so now 200 no one require in do. Auto electricity 200 Ghana cedis 5 days, 6 days, not asa. And for those you see electricity will feel and be some of us say if we enjoy Jumamsa and a journey upon your coffee. But people are complaining in this country. Only for us to discover. Say last quarter of 2025, the PRC per their own doing you overpay electricity by 1.5 billion. 1.5 billion Ghana cedis. That is more than 150 billion old Ghana cedis. And the overpayment that the citizens of this republic made because of the doings of the PURC. So see, electricity bill no more than say rent a year. If you compute how much you are paid for the month for electricity alone, it's more than rent a year or chroma say ade. Abai ade, era John Jinapo ade. Why? Now, in an economy, I see in fundamental economic fundamentals, inflation will form, interest rate will form. Why are we paying so much for utilities? Why? Why? Tell us why are we paying so much for electricity? Now when you now get try me many crowd say what you are when your electricity in kwade at Adam Mukranka and then Dumsor sa Obi and who come bit maka say wada can for 2 days continuous that. Last 2 nights, Saturday night. And who will be a day in Panama? Almost that Penyah will do lights in the 11 o'clock. A bar bear 1 hour matching. Nessa do me, I'm a nipper that was shoe. The weather is very hot. And I can't afford a dark shoe. Like in the year 2013 to 2016, era John Mahama face. The Kai don't say see Fe do baby kwana operation theater na go for the phones and a raw operation room theater. Do baby na nkwada kwatena street light asia so wait be sua de akotro so hwe. Electric na bu wording. You transfer kana ni senya. Meanwhile we are paying once every later on for Dumsor. What is happening in this republic? What is happening? Why are the managers of this republic doing this to the citizens? And then you go farmers are, teachers, and your teachers are. Nurses and your nurses are security. I feel the Kenya kakra, hairdressers, organizers, tailors. And then you are known to so be the Jumaka Kenya kakra and then so tramani buon kwana your ton like this na ade o ma we ade na de bia kan yo ye kan ye ana Ghana for ani anyo jinya sa kotro ma ban we e hwedi bisi we da masi
benufo asem na critical we dey nanka me say me twene madru fie but the way I me see nya calls na asem no e koso social media no I will say ya kan ho asem sisia hwan na ni meter I start eye Hussein boat say in the last 1 week to 2 weeks no I've seen on social media say nipa p complaining about omoto creditor na asa na enora ebi to me meter normally me talk creditor Thursday to Wednesday evening. Sometimes it me the call Thursday near to Thursday. Me talk Thursday. To me ko kuma se me buy and renumre nasa. I'm say and to me put there be the ni break or two koran so say e bi amini ho no almost air condition the whole day and na credit nasa. But no crampo ni sanka e sanra because we turn Thursday there. And he said Wednesday, between Thursday and Opadi, and he said Sunday, and you mre esa. Osanke to me the call at least Wednesday and but and me credit sign. Media man finance. But and then on social media, man, who's a lot of people are complaining about the same thing. So Mr. Wow, when you saw issue ni bino. Bra, me TikTok inbox, na me message, baby any amount I would toy, any normally uta elasto say. Just send me a message. Me pesa me truck rat I come PULC for any ECG4. Minim the SC. But in tempi ni ana ya kansim ya obi abazo umi enyi politin film yenyi NDC ni MPP. Ye de yi NDC ni MPP film. MPP a buying kachira mo say Dr. Mahmoud Baumyaka say or the solar air ba. Na instead of say ye be increase because gas ni diesel ni body. Enti yanke be ye over 2,000 megawatts of solar for household businesses and obi enti any control about my NDC for and because ye politics in free more me honor here. By the way, aba say a meter na problem about home into ASR and now say electricity now more increasing in the 1st January no and na amasa so we na ba mesramo wow be hu video we bia no send ma wunua bi na mo ma me inbox messages na me hwe te metro krata akoma PULC any ECG4 now he addresses our problem with because it's unbearable. A lot of people are going through this thing where now almost talk creditor and soon and mel says so no me that's it.
Today, why be a mammy? I will conversation. I Penyah Media. I grab.